5 orange. They are not very fresh, so I don't want to eat them directly. So I want to make them into powder, to make the orange powder. So I will need a blender to grind them and a dehydrator to dry them, dry the orange. So let's begin. So first step, I need to wash them. Then I will cut them into slices. And after I slice the orange, I will dehydrate them by my dehydrator. So I have cleaned the orange and I will start cutting. I will cut the two ends off. And I don't want the two ends. I just need this. So I will cut. So I have finished the slicing and put them all in the dehydrator. So next step, we will just wait for the dehydration until it's dried totally. So put it here. To the cover. And I will set about 40 degrees and about 6 hours ago, about tomorrow morning. So it will be okay, and then I will grind them by a blender. So let's just wait for it. So now it is 6 hours later, and I will check if the orange slice is totally dry. It's still soft. I think the slice is too thick, so I need to cut them again. So now I have sliced them all, and I think this time they will be dried totally after 6 hours. So turn on the power, and about 45 degrees, I think that is okay. So I will wait for another night, and let's check it tomorrow. Hello guys, it's 6 hours later, and let's check. I feel again it's not dry. I think maybe it will need an extra 6 hours. Not good. So this time I will turn up the temperature. Maybe 60. So we need to wait another 6 hours, and then we will check if it's ready. I think this time it will be okay. So it's another 6 hours later, and this time I think it's ready. So let me check. I think it's 90% ready, but there is still the water inside. So maybe I need another 6 hours. And the peel is already dried, but the flesh is not ready. It still contains a bit of water. So another 6 hours. Let's wait. So it's another 6 hours later, and let me check. It's still a little soft. I think maybe there's 1 or 2% of the water inside. So we still need to dehydrate them. Maybe another 6 hours. I don't know how many hours I have spent on this. But I think this time 6 hours later it will be okay. So I will turn it on and 55 Celsius. Okay. So let's wait another 6 hours. I don't know how many times I have spent. Some of the orange slice is dried very well. They are crispy, but some of them is still not ready. So I can't dry them all. So today I have used the micro oven about 3 times to dry them, but it doesn't work very well. There's still some water inside the slice, so I can't wait. I will just choose the dried slice to make the orange powder. This is a little soft, not really. I will put it here. Not really. This is good, crispy. So eventually I get so many dried orange slices. So next step, I will grind them by this blender. So you can check the inside. The powder is not very fine. There are small powder and the big powder all mixed together. And the smell is very good. So I think this powder is successful. And if you want some very fine powder, you can use a sieve to filter the fine powder. So I can't store them all inside. There are still some left here. And I will add some water. Then I will stir it. The taste is not good. I need some sugar. Okay, this is better. You can taste the orange flesh and the orange peel, both of them. So if you just want the taste of the orange flesh, you can remove the peel before you dry them. So this time I have the both taste, and for me I kinda like this.